This AutoCAD drawing has come from another consultant, another designer who uses AutoCAD. They haven't followed any particular standard, and there are some things in this drawing that need a little bit of repair. For the sake of argument, there's a series of hatch patterns being used, and if we select a hatch pattern and look over here, you can see its block name is star H15. Now, that's not a named hatch pattern within that block. It's just a block, and what we'd like to do is to have a proper hatch pattern on that space. So we'll delete that hatch pattern. We'll delete that block. Now we have a zone that we need to hatch, so I can just select the 4 lines that make up the zone, and I can say let's join those. If we now select that group, it's just a single polyline, as you can see over here in the properties box. Now we'd like to hatch it, so it's just draw, then hatch, pick the area, pick the polyline. I've been testing this, so I've got a pattern called dots there and a scale of 75, so I'll go OK. Now in goes the pattern. Now what we're trying to do is to match some of the hatching that's been turned by AutoCAD into a block. So we'll click there and we'll change the density a little. We'll make it 50. And now we've got a hatch pattern that's fairly close to the block on the left hand side. So can you see it's a relatively easy matter to turn this sort of hatching into a proper AutoCAD and gCADPlus hatch pattern. But if you don't need to do it, there's no need to go cleaning up somebody else's work. These blocks can be moved into the AutoCAD environment and will stay there. It's only when you want to rehatch or change the hatch pattern in some way that you need to go through the process of turning the lines that surround the area into a polyline and then hatching it. So I hope that makes things a little clearer there.